All right. Let's start getting into this. What is up, Nikita? How you doing, Jen? Nigel, what is up? What is up, the principal? The principal, I believe you're new here, unless you changed your name. But hello, welcome in, welcome in. I have a very short list for you guys because I feel like today we could have more requests. Just a thought. Otherwise, it's going to be an extremely quick stream, and I'm going to be out of here early. But yeah, so before I get into the news, let's go ahead and say the list so you guys can start requesting right away. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Solana, XRP, Link, ADA, HBAR, and Bonk. So if it's not there, go ahead and request. I got you. I can hear you. Yo, you can hear me. You can hear me. What is up, doctor? How you doing? How you doing? Oh, Dr. Bunsen Honeydew. You sound like you should be in a porn. I'm not even gonna lie. That is a wild name right there. I would not let my wife go and see you. I'll tell you what. That is crazy. I am new, my friend. Well, welcome in. Loan protocol. You want some loan, huh? Okay, I got you. I got you. Bonk. Bonk is on the list. It is on the list. WTF, my membership didn't renew. Dang, Jin. It's okay. I don't deserve it. It's fine. I don't deserve it. That's all that means. That's all that means. It's a loan protocol. Loan. It's just loan. That's the ticker. Perfect. Perfect. I love it. I love it. All right, let's dive into some of this news. Let's wait for people to come in. Actually, Bonk is on this list for a reason. Bonk looks like it's about to have a very nice run-up. A very nice run-up. You want MetaDAO? Got you covered. Muppet character. Wait, what? Is that a crypto? Honestly, I don't know. I don't know. Metal DAO. Is that MTL? Is that what Metal DAO is? Metal DAO. I think it's MTL, but we will check. Muppet Show. Interesting. Alright, so for the newer viewers here, just so you guys understand, I do not go to Deck Screener unless there is a $5 dono because it is atrocious to go over there and note it. Actually, I think I upped it. You know what? Yeah, I'm upping it because I never want to go to Deck Screener. So it's a $50 dono to get me to go on to Deck Screener. I don't ever want to go there. So I do need to change one of my alerts because it still says $5. No, I never want to go there. So a $50 surcharge to get me onto that horrendous site. And then we can go from there. But anyways, with that being said, there is a tier system here when it comes to your requests. All members, they do get pushed to the front of the line. Noted we have 3 tiers of members. So the top tier membership, it is only $10. Then I have one below it. I think it's either $7 or $8. And then there's the regular supporter, which is only $5. And noted, if you're a regular supporter and say someone who is a top or a level above you request, they will jump to the head of the line. This is a way that I can keep everything clean, concise, and easy. What's up, HQZ? How you doing? So, yeah, this is just how it works. Those people are directly financially supporting the stream, so I want to give them all the love that I can. There are some perks if you are a part of the Discord. You get to see all of my bonehead mistakes or great trades that I post inside of the members-only channel. But noted, the more YouTubers I see and how much they charge for that crap, I think $5 is kind of worth it. I feel like it's worth it, but hey, I digress. Anyways, other than that, let's just get down the rest of these requests, and then we'll go from there. It's part of the Metallicus blockchain. Interesting. All right, cool. So, going into the news here, Trump's Commerce Secretary hints at Bitcoin only strategic reserve. This is a very big deal because a lot of people were kind of getting pissed off at the idea of a bunch of altcoins getting into the strategic reserve. To be fair, I completely understand why they would be mad about it, because the altcoins, they're not as consistent as Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up and to the right. Like that's all it's ever done. And then you bring in an altcoin where it's like every bear market it goes down 88 to 99%. That's kind of a problem for a strategic reserve. That means some of the like maybe it's taxpayer money, maybe it's some other money that the government has. Maybe they're just seizing assets. Which noted, if they were like, oh, we seized all this garbage and we just threw it into strategic reserve, that's fine. That's fine. Do that, but don't buy it. Aerodrome by today has been killing it for me. All right, Matt, we'll check out some Aerodrome. I forgot what their ticker is. If you could help me out, what is their ticker? What is their ticker? So we will check out that chart for you. Anyways, so that's actually a good thing, only having Bitcoin, in my opinion. Of course, everybody's going to have their own opinion, but you know what? Bitcoin's held the test of time. The only other one that comes close to that is like Ethereum, but now it's proof of stake, so I don't know. I feel a little different about it. Only my thoughts. But anyways, USDT custody and transfers not restricted under the MiCA and ESMA. So the European Securities and Markets Authority has added new comments on the status of stablecoins that do not comply with the markets in crypto assets regulation, adding the ongoing uncertainty around the classification and use. On March 3rd, Binance announced plans to delist 9 non-MiC compliant stablecoins, including USDT, for its European Economic Area. Despite removing the affected tokens for trading, Binance said it will support deposits and withdrawals of those stablecoins. Wow! So they're basically saying, screw you, Europe. That's pretty cool. AERO, I got you covered. Hey, what is up? How you doing, Aquata? How you doing? Wait, what did the SEC say? I don't know what the SEC said. SEC ain't said anything. I have no idea. Not a clue. AERO. Aerodrome, gotcha. I guess Zelensky coin won't be in the U.S. Strategic Reserve? Cool, yeah, not at all. Screw that guy. It's a cool project. They want to be a blockchain environment for PayPal. Well, that's interesting. All right, cool. Moving on, the U.S. Senate votes to kill IRS DeFi broker rule. Thank God. Anyways, the U.S. Senate on March 4th passed a resolution to repeal a rule that would require decentralized finance protocols to report to the IRS with a 70 to 27 vote. Who the hell are those 27? Get them out. Get them out now. The fuck? It's called DeFi for a reason. It wouldn't be decentralized finance if they could get those reports. Dumb at those 27. Get them out. Get them out. Anyways, I was the first quest Sui, please. Wait, what? You want Sui Jin? Okay, all right. We'll get some Sui. Just remember, you're not a member. Just remember that. Sui. Got you covered. No, the Secretary of Commerce, I meant. Oh, what did they say? Yeah, they're basically saying certain stablecoins in the EU, they're not doing anything. Zelensky, the Panama paper scandal. Wait, what? IRS had its feelings hurt. IRS can kiss everyone's ass. IRS could, no, get rid of them. South Korea inches closer to Bitcoin ETF decision. Looks to Japan as example. Oh, what? Looking to Japan now? All right, South Korea, whatever, that's fine. I'll renew tonight, but I was the first request of the night. Jin, you were not. You were not even close. Not even close, brother. I'm sorry. I can see it right here. Oh, you were the first one. Wow. I take it back. You were the first one. Shit. I fucked up. We'll get there, though. Anyways, so South Korea, they want to get a spot ETF. That's cool. That's awesome. You know, fun fact, the first time I ever heard about ADA Cardano, it was because they had a debit card that was actively being used in South Korea. And this was like years back. So, yeah, it's kind of interesting. You were, Jin. You were. I had to look back. I didn't know. That's my bad. Let's see. Dubai crypto regulator grants VASP license to RWA friendly layer 1 blockchain. Which one? Hold on. To Vara? What the fuck? Okay, I guess we're gonna look at Vara. The hell? Wait, no, hold on. RWA focused layer 1 blockchain mantra. So OM is the first DeFi platform to secure a license from Dubai's virtual asset regulator Vara. Wow. Maybe that's why OM has been such a weird looking token and going up non-stop. Holy shit. That, and they have BlackRock? Jeez. We might have to check out some OM. You might have to buy some OM. I mean, damn. That's actually crazy. Anyways, let's see. Regulation, here, rollout of partners, don't care. Bitcoin network used to secure local GOP convention election results. Huh. That's cool. The Bitcoin network was used to secure and store the results of the Williams County, Tennessee Republican Party convention's March 4th election to determine leadership and board of local GOP chapter. That's pretty cool. Too bad it's only Tennessee. Their population isn't quite as big as I would like, but that's a start. It's a step in the right direction. Yeah, OM's probably gunning for top 10. It probably is. Can I look at 10 cent Ford? 10 cent Ford. What's okay, James? I need you to put in some tickers. What are their tickers? Just throw a ticker at me, man. Come on now. You know how this goes. I am remedial. I need all the help I can get, honestly. But yeah, OM, they're doing things out there using Bitcoin's network to secure the. That's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. All right, Bitcoin volatility soars amid U.S. crypto reserve tariff jitters. That's true. The volatility was crazy. Had me all sorts of confused until I zoomed out. Oh my God, was I blind for the past 2 days? Tencent is a Chinese company. All right. Then why would it be Tencent Ford? Interesting. Tencent, Ford, and Honda. Honda, actually, with the news that they're going to be making their factory in the U.S., I would think they're going to do well. Tencent is the Chinese company. Okay, all right. Tariff turmoil. Okay, we're done with the news. Anyways, so let's get into Bitcoin. So I pointed this out this morning where I was like, we could see a 16% drop, and then I posted this. And for those of you who think I'm lying, because you might be new here, I do post trade setups pretty gosh darn often. Moneybags just requested any other trade setups with C98. Oh, whatever. So this morning, I'm gonna prove it right here. At 8:04 a.m., I was sitting here and I was like, wow, Bitcoin looks like it could go up 6%. This looks crazy. Made it. What's up, Woozy? How you doing? So yeah, and now we can see after that image, which I guess we can make it bigger. I guess that's as big as it goes. But after looking at that image, you can see what it's done. So I was right, but I was also wrong a lot today. Today was a bad trading day for me. I'm gonna tell you what, it was rough. It was a rough day for me. I'm gonna be honest. It was rough. It's 80700 because it's Chinese ticker. That's such a weird what? Okay. All right. 8 700. This slow crawl is painful. It is painful. It is painful, but also it's kind of beautiful. So, the reason why it looked so damn different this morning is because I went to the 15-minute. I was on the 15-minute, and I was just like, hey, wait a minute. This don't look right. We got this beautiful uptrend right here. And when I posted it, we were doing this. This I didn't expect. But it was a quick dip, and we popped right up. Noted, we did have support sitting right here. We also have support sitting down here. So technically speaking, we held support, and then we bounced off of it. So this was absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. But hey, we're doing it. And then where I got the 6% from was this right here, where I was like, oh wow, look at that. We can go up and test resistance. So just so you know how I did that, that's what I was looking at. Looks like Bitcoin's trying to make its move. I told you we were going to squeeze in Discord chat. You did say that, which, hey, I just didn't see how it was going to happen before. But then, you know what? When in doubt, zoom the F out. Zoom out. So what I was not focusing in on, and I really should have been, which I'm going to get rid of all of this. Just get rid of all of this. Get rid of all the noise, because I've been doing way too much day trading, and there's a ton of noise on my chart now. I got to look at the longer term daily. You have this point and this point. We tried to fall below it. We stayed below it for 2 days, broke back up, back tested as support. We are holding support. We are in an extremely strong uptrend. And then if we look at this right here, from high to low, all we did was caught support at a 50% retrace. That is all we fucking did. This is absolutely insane when you think about it, because you're like, no, we just did some normal stuff on a higher time frame. This is normal. This is not abnormal at all. So once we break out of this downtrend, we're looking to go all the way up to $144,000. That is what we're looking at for Bitcoin right now. That is what I wasn't able to see because I was too zoomed in. Absolutely crazy. They could drag this thing out all the way until, what day is this? They could drag this out all the way until January of next year. Like, that's the craziest part. They could literally grind it out for a whole year, and it would still be normal. Bitcoin looking like a stock. Dirty girl. It is. It is looking like a stock. That's kind of what's throwing me off so much, because I'm used to more volatility. I'm used to way more volatility. But Bitcoin, as of this moment, 58% upside is what we're looking at. 58%. Could take a year. Could take a whole ass year. But 58%. This is why I said, I was like, damn, I am crazy bullish tonight. This is kind of weird. So, yeah. Anyways, hold on, I'm missing stuff. Not gonna lie, I think we dump tomorrow or tonight. James, I don't think we dump tonight. I think we're gonna go up and test this downtrend, because we haven't done it yet. I think we're gonna test it. We could just destroy the downside after the Trump event. It's true. It could happen. What I would prefer, actually, is if we come back down and test 87.3 one more time. Give it a nice little touch-a-roo, then let it blast off. That would be nice. Because getting a nice little red candle down here would be absolutely wonderful. But somebody's going to be like, oh, we already back-tested. Someone's going to say it. I just don't believe them. Anyways, this is what I'm seeing out of Bitcoin. 58% upside. So anybody who's getting hyper bearish right now, oh, the bull run's over, you're wrong. Until we break this uptrend, bull run intact. Bull run looking good. Like, it's kind of wild, but it's looking pretty damn good. Anyways, I was super bearish yesterday. Don't get me wrong. Don't even take it out of context. I was crazy bearish yesterday, but I didn't zoom out like this. This is the problem I had. I did not zoom out like this and look at it objectively. This was user error. I fucked up. Is BCH on the list? No, it is not. You can request it, though. I mentioned that last night, too. I was like, I think we're going to go up. Cam, don't worry. I did get your requests in here. We will be covering those. I got you. If you cold take, I'm kind of confused by that. But yeah, we will check out ONT, Suku, and Open Protocol. Got you. Suku. Open. Got you covered there. We could shop forever. You're right. It's a possibility. It's a possibility. Jim, did you want me to check out Bitcoin Cash? I'll write it down for you. I got you. All right. Am I missing something here? Woozy is exhausted, reclined in my chair, had nothing but warranty calls today and nonstop angry customers. Aren't those the best? Appreciate it. No problem, Cam. No problem. But my take on crypto dump in next day or two is stocks bias. So I'd get why you disagree. So James, if you've noticed lately, every day the stock market has some issues. The crypto market does pretty well. So I could see where that stock biased is. But also, if you've noticed, the 10-year treasury bonds have been getting bought up like crazy. I think Wall Street's starting to look at Bitcoin as a flight to safety, which it's a weird thing to say, but it seems like they're doing that. So just something to throw in there. Kind of threw me off a little bit. Anyways, let's go ahead and look at the liquidation heat map, because I'm guessing there's a lot of other traders that probably were looking at the markets the same way I was, and I think the shorts have an opportunity to get oh my god, shorts have an opportunity to get absolutely wrecked. Oh my god, looking at the 24-hour if we hit 92,208, we could see a pretty good liquidation event. That's not bad. Let's check out our weekly time frame. They might be aiming for this right up here. 95,165. Got $126 million up there ready to be taken. They have already taken so much. 136 million, 104 million. That is a lot. And everything in between. Jesus. So yeah, I feel like all us crypto folk, we're not zooming out enough. And that's on us. I'm just glad that I finally opened up my eyes, because holy crap, I've been blind for the past 2 days. Been out here just like, it's like birdhouse. It's terrible. Anyways, we will regain with this new information. We will. BCH booming. CT, you're right. It's going crazy. So today I'm going to make a better effort of looking at everything zoomed out a bit so I can see it for what it is. But yeah, so that's Bitcoin for you. Bitcoin looking pretty gosh darn delicious to me. Let's go ahead and check out Ethereum. Ethereum here. So Ethereum close up looks like absolute dog shit. Zoomed out, it's kind of looking nice. Look at this uptrend. It doesn't look that bad. You broke the uptrend. That's why everybody talks shit about it. But let's go ahead and clean this up. Let's clean it up. All right. Go out to our weekly. So here's the thing that I usually don't do, that I probably should start doing now that there's an ETF. Looking at it like this, we are just fine on Ethereum. Ethereum could do a lot worse. The fact that you had a little bit of bearish divergence on the weekly here is kind of the problem. So we're waiting to reset on our weekly time frame. That's why Ethereum looks like dog shit all the time. It's clarity. I'm getting clarity, guys. This is a nice thing, and I need to do this more often because I get caught up in the noise too often. Smash the like button, people. Let's get the likes to match the amount of people in this live stream. Meet Damien is an all-star and a legend. Everybody, go check out his channel. He does TA at a completely different time than me. It probably works out way better for your schedules. Go check him out. Very, very worthwhile watching his stuff. Go check out his stream. Thank you so much for coming in, me, Damien. You're absolutely amazing. So right now we are entering into this little zone for Ethereum at this moment in time. I'm going to say anything below 2314, buy. Just buy as much as you can, because we are about to touch this weekly uptrend here, and I don't think it's going to be able to get below 18.9. I don't think it will. Noted. Great place to put a stop loss. Even on your spot holdings, we lose 18.9. It's going to be a bad time. It's going to be really bad. But it's looking like it's pretty good right now. Looking pretty good. So I'm glad that I took a moment to get some clarity, because, man, I was getting a little down on myself. I was like, do I suck? Am I just bad? Noted. Another thing that I wasn't doing properly was focusing in on the higher time frame retracements. I was solely focusing in on the lower time frames, which is a terrible thing to do. It really is. But I was doing it. I can admit my faults. It's okay. We learn, we get better. It's fine. We learn and we get better, damn it. Can I take a look at render? Yeah, Vic, I got you. I got you, Vic. So, right now, on your daily time frame, Ethereum does not have bullish divergence, so we are just waiting for any type of bullish div or a higher low, something. Currently, we are in this downtrend right here, and we have a level of support right here, so we are wedging out. There is a possibility we go down and we touch 18.9. There is a possibility, so keep that in mind. Going out to our 4-hour time frame, let's get a better look. So our 4 hours is what's giving us the sauce right now. Take a look at BCH too. We will. CT, thanks to Jim, we will be looking at it. You can thank Jim later. I'm sure he accepts cupcakes. Anyways, downtrend here, right here. So we had our low put in, bullish divergence, waiting on that higher low. Just waiting on that higher low. I don't think we're going to get it, if I'm being honest. If the market stays bullish, I don't think we're going to get it. But right now, we are seeing a nice move to the upside based off this downtrend right here. Maybe this was your double bottom situation. I don't know. But we're going to see what happens once you get to 2,338. We're going to see if you bearishly backtest. I would be looking for the higher low at that point. That's where I'd be looking. Looking at our 1 hour time frame, we do have an uptrend that has formed. So we would be looking at this sort of like this. When the uptrend breaks, that's when we just look for a little bit more downside. And on the downside move, I'm looking for like a 5-0, nice little bullish 5-0. So let's just say we touch resistance and we pull back. We could see a little retracement, like 7.2%. Would not be strange in the least. That would give us our higher low. And then I would just readjust this down to there and be like, all right, let's get this party started. Go up and touch our next demand line. That's how I'm looking at Ethereum right now, because it is distinctively in an uptrend on the much higher time frames. But on the low time frames, it looks like dog shit. So terrified of 2K. ETH is very, very scared of 2K. They are, but I could definitely see it possibly touching that 18.9 if you don't get back above 23.14. I could see it. So this is what I'm seeing out of Ethereum. We will see if you break through or not. If you don't, great. High or low. Come back down to 2,150. I don't care. That would be very bullish in my opinion. Would be great. And then we also have a new downtrend to deal with. Whatever. That doesn't matter. We have bullish divergence. That's what really matters. The bullish div on the 4 hour, that's a big deal because we are really waiting for that higher low situation. The fact that we've had nothing but lower lows and then this, I don't really like it because you did wick below it. I don't like that. Thaz at Rogue Ghosted, thank you so much for the sub. How you doing today? Welcome in, welcome in. So this is what I'm seeing out of Ethereum. It looks good to me. I like it. And the IRS can kick rocks about my return on said staking too. They can. Yeah, screw them. Honestly, I don't like the IRS. I really don't. moving along, we got Litecoin, LTC, copy traders. I threw you guys into a trade on this one. We are long right now. I didn't even look at it on the 4 hour, if I'm being honest. Oh my gosh. But we're looking for the common retrace. So I was looking at this as a rising wedge pattern. I was like, we're falling for sure. Now, hindsight 2020, we were in a distinct downtrend. We broke out of it. We put in bullish divergence even. And now we're starting to see the move to the upside. Just getting up to a common retrace. We're looking for 116.40. That's really what we're looking for. If we manage to break out of this downtrend, well, let's go ahead and zoom on out real quick. Real fast here. Let's clean up the chart. How about we do that? Let's clean up the chart. We're going to keep it on the weekly here. Let's clean it up. Every rising wedge has seeped into my stop loss today. Really odd, right? It's really odd, right? That's probably because Wall Street doesn't care about low time frames. And I have to keep reminding myself that Wall Street does not care about low time frame. They care about the daily and the weekly. So I need to start looking at anything with an ETF on the daily and the weekly. I need to stop looking at the 4 hour, the 1 hour, because they don't matter anymore. They just don't matter. And that's kind of the problem I've been having. So the thing with Litecoin is you broke out of this downtrend here and you haven't made your retracement yet. You're just working on it. That's all you're working on the retrace from this high. So since you're still working on it, we could see Litecoin come up to $271, and it's not weird in the least. It would not be strange. Yeah, 1 hour and 4 hour got me. Yeah, they were getting me for the past 2 days. I've been getting just destroyed on those 2 time frames. It's been terrible. But, you know what? That's the game they play. We just got to learn how to play the game. We're playing a different game, and that's the problem. Got to learn their game. Because they're the ones, they're the whales now. The market makers, I think they're getting edged out, if I'm being honest. I think they're getting edged out. So you can see right here, we have just been hitting resistance on Litecoin, just smacking up against it. Currently, we are back testing our weekly 200 simple moving average and holding it strong. Holding it very strong. We're getting our moving averages start moving up. This is actually very beautiful. Now, let's go ahead and check out. Where's our next level resistance? Oh, my Lanta. Wow, so we're not even going to have to worry about anything until we get to the 5-0. Oh my goodness. All right, anyways. Wall Street shouldn't even like STX. Damn. Hey, they get their fingers into everything, if you haven't realized. Everything. Now, checking out our daily time frame. So this one caught me a little off guard. I was looking at it earlier. This one caught me a little off guard. Just because I was like, it's not even respecting anything. But here's our current uptrend from here to here. Look at how that wick just went and touched it. How annoying is that? They're all edging. They're really just strange. It's really strange. But right now for Litecoin, as long as we stay above our local little level of support and resistance, right there, local level, it's like a little pocket of helpfulness right here. Former resistance acting as very strong support. Very strong support. So Litecoin's looking great, all things considered. You have a low, a higher low, a third touch right there. If I actually touch these up, there you go. Third touch, uptrend confirmed. We're on the road to possibly seeing $270 for Litecoin. It could take a long time. Could take a really long time. I mean, we could take all the way into what? It doesn't even tell me the date. It's so far away. Oh my gosh. January of 2026 is all it's given. It could take longer than that. Just heads up. Could take longer. Just the tip on the wick. I mean, right? Just the tip. But that's the kind of support you want to see. That's great. That's awesome. and now you wicked into support again. You have not had a close below 95.43 at all. Not at all. No daily candle closes have closed below it. Just wick. That is, they can't push it down further than that. They're failing miserably. We do have a downtrend that we have to worry about on the daily, which noted, it's kind of Bush League, because let's be real, that's not that bad. No third touch. LTC to the moon was not on my bingo card. Right? Wasn't on mine either. But this thing's looking pretty darn decent. Going into your 4-hour time frame, you see this beautiful rounded bottom here. You can also see the downtrend we broke out of. So all we're playing is a golden retrace. That's all we're doing. Golden retrace, baby. Here's your downtrend. You got your breakout. You got your back test. You're moving on up. Moving on up. And now, here is your uptrend that you're respecting. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing right here. It looks gorgeous. Pulling out our fib tool just to see where that golden retrace is. Oh, would you look at that? 116.61. That is our golden retrace. So, Litecoin, everybody. Freaking bullish AF. If it breaks this downtrend, crazy bullish. Because in reality, where this thing is more than likely going is not only to that golden retrace, but your next leg up once you finally break out, which that will be at a tremendous day. You could be going straight to 198, possibly 227. How's it line up perfectly right now? Anyways, that's crazy. LTC strong, 90% of coins mined so far. Next 10% will take 150 years or so to mine. That's crazy. I could see Wall Street grind these ETFs and reserve coins up like stocks while everything else bleeds like the bear market. That's fair. That is fair. So yeah, that's Litecoin. Sorry I'm taking a little more time to start explaining these things, but I really want you guys to understand my thought process when it comes to all this TA and why I got so damn bullish suddenly. I'm sure it caught some of you off guard because you guys are like, wow, I only tuned into the stream just to be bearish. No, I'm bullish as shit right now. I'll tell you what, I am bullish as shit right now. I didn't realize how close we were to all these demand lines. I had no clue. Anyways, checking out Solana, checking out Sol. Now Sol I didn't do this with. I'm very interested to see what Sol's looking like. So I'm gonna do the same thing. We're gonna rechart this bad boy so you guys can see it here live. So Solana's weird because it's only its second cycle. Now on your weekly time frame, got your highs put in. Bet it was refreshing to flip bullish though. Dude, I was so sick of being bearish. I'll tell you what. It was refreshing to say the least. It was refreshing. Because when you're bearish for too long, it like drains you. It's kind of weird. It drains your energy. Like you don't feel right. I like this better. Right there. Alright, so that looks like the levels we care about right now. If you fall below 115, it's going to be a really bad time. It's going to be a really bad time. Tell you what. See, I got to anchor it off this. I don't like that, but you're wicking on it. So, anyways, it's a weird place to anchor. See, only being its second bull run, it makes it to where Solana looks weird. You sound like a new man. Bro, I am actually happy. I don't like being bearish all the time. I understand, I tell you guys, I will short most of the time, but to not be able to find a reason to short anymore, this feels nice. Because you know what? We've been so beaten down in this market. It's like everybody's giving up. Everyone's feeling like dog shit. Everybody's like, meh, this market's never going to go up, man. And it's like, it will. It's just, you're right. When? When are we going to get the bids, man? When? And now, look at this. So for Solana, what we need to focus in on is this longer term time frame. Because there you go. We could be heading to $231 on a nice little move to the upside. Tau and Kava, please. Got you. Still pissed. Wanted a back test. Hey, we all wanted the back test, man. Back test would be nice. Back test would be nice. Anyways, so let's check out some support on the daily time frame that we could be utilizing, and here it is. Wow, you can find it right here at your local Walmart. Right here. Right there, holding support. Nice. So this one actually does look a lot worse because you have lost your uptrend. So Solana, surprisingly, looks way worse. And you're trying to start a brand new uptrend. That's all you're trying to do right now. A brand new uptrend, like spanking new, like fresh new boots. I take it back. The fuck? Anyways. I would like to add XCN to the list. Been in a short longer than I'd like. Alright, XCN, I got you. XCN. I'm surprised someone else finally asked for BCH. That's a first. If you're in the Discord, I mentioned Bitcoin Cash last night. I was like, oh, looks like it's getting ready to pump. And then it did. It went crazy. So, right now, you are putting in a fresh new uptrend, but here's the longer term uptrend that apparently they tried to push it down below and they just couldn't keep it down there. It's a lot of turbulence down here. They tried really hard to keep pushing it. It just didn't work. You do have the increase in strength, but there's no bullish div. Did a nice W? I mean, it did. So here's your bullish divergence, and there's your higher low. So now you have your uptrend. So Solana has made its new uptrend. So what you're focused in on now is to stay above this line. It is awfully low. Awfully low. So the closer you are to this supply or demand line down here, that's where all your demand is. Down there. I mean, yeah, somebody's going to be like, no, you could use this. Sure. But if you're using this as a trajectory to the upside, you're more than likely looking to go short because that should not really last. Really shouldn't. And from the lower time frame, from right here, you'd be looking to only get up to 161 on a nice move to the upside. At 161, we'll see if you roll over or not. But at that point, so a nice 8.5% move to the upside. If you break this uptrend here, you will be looking to possibly backtest this uptrend, this green line back down here, or just getting like a 5-0. So let's just say you stop there. You could be coming, yeah, straight back down to 145.85. That is a possibility, but now you're looking at just readjusting this down, and then you'll have your new uptrend, and you can trade off that. Binance keeps breaking Sol's legs. Tragic. I mean, yeah, that's true. Didn't think that was possible if we look at prior activity. Their network hit all-time high usage. Surprised me. That is surprising. That is very surprising. But yeah, right now, this is the uptrend I'd be looking for, and I would be looking for that 8.5% move to the upside based off this fall. You had a break of the downtrend, so get that golden retrace, and then we'll see what happens. Fast trades, can you do MSTR, MSTX coin and coin versus, wait, what? Versus CNL? What are you asking me here? Versus their 2x leverage? Fast, I will just look at their charts. You can extrapolate on the 2x. There ain't no way. There ain't no way I'm going to compare like 4 separate charts looking at the same shit. Come on, fast trades. I will look at MSTX and coin, or MSTR also, I guess. I don't know what is it? CONL? Is that what it is? We'll see. We'll see how I break that up. We will see. All right. Anyways, moving on. We got XRP. Now XRP, I didn't do this with either. I'm still in the ball camp of no, we're going down to 58 cents. I'm still saying it. I'm still saying it. What the fuck, Mark? You can't do calculus for us? No. No, I can't. They look different. I don't know why. Maybe because it's a 2x leverage. So you're not accounting for the extra percentage. Every 1% one moves, it is 2% on the other one. So if it moves 7%, you're going to have to account for 14%. It's going to look different. It's going to look different every time. That's why if you're trading a leverage ETF, you just focus on the actual asset. It's all you gotta focus in on. This isn't even the right chart to do this on. Shit. There we go. This is the right chart to do it on. Alright, let's see here. See anybody talking about, oh, it says so much. This looks like dog shit. Guy got mad at me when I said $8 was reasonable during euphoria phase. For what? For XRP? Is that what you're talking about? People really think it's going to $100. Mythical forever bull run? Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. So now you guys probably notice why my list is so short. It's because I'm recharting all these, but, you know, it's taking the exact same amount of time. Hopefully you guys are bearing with me, chilling out, relaxing, grabbing some soda, enjoying. Gold Mike, PPL, people are saying the bull run is over, but I don't know. I feel like the peak will be in November. Don't worry, let those people say that. Let them buy in higher. It's fine. You need them for exit liquidity. You need them. DZ, can we look at the usual degen? Yes, we can. Can we do Bonk and Toshi? We'll check out Toshi. We're already going to do Bonk. Bull run is probably just starting based on the weekly chart. Exactly. Smart call, Porky. Yeah, no, let them come in late. Don't persuade them. Let them be your exit liquidity. It's fine. They deserve it. Popcorn. Yes, get your popcorn. Get your popcorn. But you said Toshi. Got you on Toshi. Got you on Toshi. All right. So, XRP here. So, I don't know why the XRP army doesn't like to look at this chart. Probably because it shows them how terrible they did last bull run. All-time high was like $4.18 for XRP. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. But, you know, it's what it is. You have no price action in between. Nothing. Until here. So now it's like, oh, we manufactured a high. Great. Awesome. Love it. Now we have this right here. Okay. Very simple to see it. Porky, you check Tesla. Yes, I can. We'll check out some Tesla. Gonna smash that. But man, I remember that Wick 2017. Valhalla, dude. I mean, I wasn't even a part of the market back then. I think I was like, what? What year was this? 2017? I was 27. I think I was just like chilling, playing video games, drinking, and then all of a sudden I looked at my Robinhood account and I saw Bitcoin at 19,000. I was like, what the hell? I didn't know Bitcoin was worth that much. Damn, I missed the boat, didn't I? Yeah, that was my experience. So looking at XRP on the weekly chart, this looks like trash. I don't understand why people love it so much. I don't know why they're like, oh my god, it's the future, it's the greatest thing. It looks like garbage. You have this level right here, $2.07, that's acting as support, but you have bearish divergence like crazy, and now you have a lower high. This looks like dog shit. This looks like you're ready to go down bad. So, XRP Army, 58 cents. Kiss my ass. Sorry. Not sorry. 64 cents maybe. I'll be generous. 64 cents. But let's be real. 58 cents. There you go. 66 cents. Makes the most sense. 66 cents. Yeah, I'm petty. But just call me Tom Petty. Until you break this downtrend after the lower high and now you need to reset your weekly time frame, you're toast. You could be going into purgatory for the next duration of the bull run. I mean, you could be going down forever. Literally, you could be going down all the way out until December. I was 19, bought at 14 cents, sold it at 8 cents. That's rough. That's rough. I only really know new stocks at the time. Yeah, so I was like holding Tesla at the time. That's all I was doing. Rich 1066. Wait, what? What do you mean 1066? I'm confused. All right, let's go into the daily time frame. Daily time frame. We don't even have an uptrend. Like that's the worst part. We don't even have an uptrend to go off of. Oh, yeah, we do. Oh shit. I didn't even realize this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's 3 touches. That's an uptrend. Holy shit. Oh my god. You're a little far away from your uptrend, buddy. Oh my god. What? Oh, Jesus Christ. You could fall all the way until November on XRP. You could bleed until November. Holy shit. Oh my god. XRP is the embodiment of the market itself. It likes to make people look dumb, both up and down, like it's wimping out, wiping out longs and shorts, right? That's CRV on the list. No, it's not, Aquata. We can check out some CRV. Oh my god! Don't let the XRP army see that. Fuck them. I could care less. Fuck them. You have so much bearish divergence. It's obscene. It's crazy. You're losing your moving averages like it's nobody's business. This thing looks like dog shit. Holy crap. This looks so bad. And then you don't have a new uptrend to work off. You just, I mean, maybe. Hold on. Let's play devil's advocate here. Devil's advocate. Do we have a third touch? Okay, devil's advocate. We mark it from this weird little level right here. So devil's advocate, maybe this is what they're doing. Maybe it's more bullish than I'm giving it credit. But I don't trust that. I think as soon as you break down from this, that is going to be your perfect opportunity to short this S. Listen to your stream on my way home, but I just want to ask if you're bullish on BTC for the week, because I'm bearish till after Friday. I am bullish. I am very bullish on BTC right now. We can say I'm hyper bullish on BTC at the moment. It is unhealthy how bullish I am right now. It is very unhealthy, but hey, is what it is. Is what it is, and it's not what it's not. It's fine. So XRP, this is what I'm looking at. You have an uptrend that you're working off of while being completely overextended from your other uptrend. So, this is the problem when you shoot up like a rocket ship. Now, what are you going to do with all this bearish divergence? What you going to do? If you lose this green line right here, you are effed. You are toast. You're bacon bits. This thing could fall 71%. Don't lose this line. Don't do it. Do not do it. After that, 50-cent touch. We're reloading. Wall Street rules. That's fair. That's fair. But yeah, this not fantastic. Not fantastic. Where's the 50% retrace on XRP move? It already did it. So it already did the 50% retrace. So remember that. Already did it. You had your bearish div and you got your 50% retrace. So this uptrend could be real. It could be. You got your 50% you wicked into it, and then you hit it twice as support. So this could be what's happening. Keep that in mind. I'd say be ready for another massive pump and dump for BTC Friday. Possibly, yeah. Can't lose if you don't have a stop loss. Yes, you can't. You lose all the time when you don't have a stop loss. What? Stop it. You stop it. You had this downtrend you're broken out of right now. So what you're looking for was the nice little golden retrace. You got it and then some. I mean, you shot right on... Oh, wait. Take it back. Hold on. So you shot past the golden retrace, came back down. Let's see. Did you get the 5-0? You got below the 5-0. You're coming back up. Let's go into your 4-hour. 4-hour time. This is the most TA I've ever done on XRP. I just want that to be clear. You had your bullish divergence. I guess you technically have a higher low. Great. Awesome. Now you have a new uptrend to work off of. And once you break it, you are wrecked. But anyways, XRP right now, here's your uptrend. Closer you are to this uptrend, the better it is. You're flattening out at the moment. I don't like the look of this, honestly. I really don't. I don't like the look of it. But you could be coming up to $2.70 for XRP. You're going to hear everybody start talking about $5 XRP for sure. But yeah, emergency announcement. We only have 15 likes. Damn, that sucks. I don't deserve the likes, apparently. I don't deserve them. But let's just say you do break to the upside after getting that 50% retrace. We could see XRP at $5.21. I will be honest. It could happen. But you need to break this downtrend. If you don't break this downtrend and you happen to break this uptrend, it's not looking good for you. It's really not. But right now, it is trying to set up for more upside. It is doing its best. So, XRP Army disliking him. XRP Army hates me, bro. They hate me. They hate reality. That's the problem. They hate reality. But right now, what I could see is XRP doing another 7.6% to the upside. At that point, we'll see what happens. If we keep maintaining this uptrend, we could continue up, and then we're going to be looking at trades based off of this high. So the 50% retrace would probably coming back down to 245 or something. Then we'd be looking to go up and test some resistance at $3. So it's setting up for something. As long as the market stays bullish, XRP does have the capability of doing something like this in the longer term. A nice 22% jump. I would still like to see that pullback, maintain this uptrend, make it look cute at least. Like, give it a good old college try. Anyways, some guy said XRP is going to flip ETH. I told him it has a hard enough time flipping Tether. That's true, it does. But it did. It flipped Tether. So that's what I'm seeing out of XRP. XRP, 8% upside right now. I could see that happening. Begrudgingly, I say it. Begrudgingly. But let's check out Link. Checking out the Linkster. So Link is looking strong. Looking really strong. But let's go out. Oh my god. Alright. We're okay. I'm not going to lose my shit. We're okay. We're alright. Every once in a while, I do recommend everybody clean up your charts. I made the mistake not cleaning up the chart. That was on me. I'm sorry. But the charts are clean. I have a new outlook on life, people. So for those who are OG, you know XRP and ETH fought for number 2 spot. Yeah, that's true. They did. But one thing Ethereum did not do is make a higher market cap while keeping a lower price. So Ethereum did a little better. They did a little better in that battle. Just saying. That's the current uptrend. But then you also have the acceleration. Did you look at that? You came so close. Just freaking touch it. What are we doing? Look at this weekly candle, though, on Link. This looks beautiful. That looks like some buying pressure. Damn, bro. Anyways. We don't even have bullish divergence? Come on, brother. Come on, bruh. We got hidden bullish divergence. That's good. Hidden bullish div. And there we go. This is what we're looking at for Link right now. Yeah, if you bought ETH at $1, you got your 5,000x. Won't happen with XRP? That's funny. Well, that's because XRP likes to sell to banks too much. That's the only problem. Only problem there. You keep selling to banks. Banks don't want to push the price up. Banks want to keep it where it is. Oh, we're in a channel? Oh, shit. We're a gosh darn channel. We're a gosh darn channel. Well, there you go for Link. It don't look so bad. We're just downtrending. Looks like we're about to try and test that heart line pretty soon as we're retaking the 200 daily moving average. This does not look terrible. Does not look terrible at all. We got our bullish div. What is this? This bothers me. It's that lower low. I guess they were trying to touch the demand line and they couldn't. They failed. Oh, nice on Link. Yeah, Link looking pretty cute here. Pretty darn cute. And then if I were a gambling man, I would look at this just like this. And I'd be looking for that nice little golden retrace. Nice little golden retrace right there, I'll tell you what, boy. So we could be heading up to 2136. But we do not have that higher low that I want. That's a problem. So come back down, buddy. Give us that higher low. Give us a formal back test. Do something. You have triple bullish divergence on the 4 hour and no higher low. I disagree. You need it. You need it. So Link, you still got time, but eventually, I'm looking at 2136, and then we'll have an uptrend to work off of. We're just waiting for Link to do some more structure. That's what we need, some more structure. Start putting in those higher lows, start trending up. W pattern possible? It's very possible. Very possible. Look at low, high, low. I mean, right there. Bring it on down. I don't know if it's going to stop right here, but let's just say it does. You're looking for that 50% retrace, which is sitting right on support at 1538. So set your alerts, 1538. If you catch bids right there and you start uptrending, you're looking for a 37% move to the upside on Link. So that's what we see out of Link. Anyways, moving along. Can I take a look at Ski? Sure. Starting to think you guys are going to keep me here all night. I'm starting to get that feeling. Good thing I started early. Anyways, we got ADA. So ADA. Now, what was I looking at earlier? ADA had me confused earlier, but it was ADA that got me to start looking like longer term. And I was like, oh, wait a minute. This doesn't look nearly as terrible as I thought. You can see the inefficiency right in between these two levels. Like, holy crap. We were here hella late last time. Yeah, we were. Yeah. I put in those hours, y'all. I put in those hours. If you guys could just smack that like button for me, that'd be great. That'd be fantastic. Yo, Roxy Mama. Thank you so much for the tier 1 sub. Hold on. That says how many months? I'm sorry, what? Are we serious? Roxy Mama coming in here, just dropping it 40 months. God damn. By the way, the elastic. Hello, good morning. Welcome in. 40 whole months. That is crazy. What in the fuck? Hey, Porky, can you do this as well? No, that's too many fast trades. No. The fuck? You crazy. Roxy, how you doing today? How you doing today? Hopefully all is well. How are the kids? Good to see you. Got this right here. Alrighty, so yeah, it's just hitting a zone. Once we can flip that zone to support, ADA is gonna look so much better. Gonna look so much better. Been shopping for a car. Not a bad time to look for a car. Girls are great. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, we're good. We're good. Yeah, fast trades, you wild for that one. You wild, bro. You're like, hey, I got this watch list. You wanna check it out for me? It's like, no, I don't. What? All right, we have an uptrend for ADA. Here is our uptrend that we are currently regarding as an uptrend. Right about here. That's what I would do. All right about there. Very inefficient price action. I'll tell you, no back test in the world. I don't like that. How's the fam? Saw your fam photo. We are doing very well. We are doing very well. Thank you. We are doing very well. So ADA did something very interesting by breaking out, but it got pulled back down. Now you're finding resistance. This is a problem. With that resistance comes so many issues. So many issues. You could see just a 50% retrace. You could see this thing go all the way back down to 59.28. So there's a couple issues there, but you do have local levels of support that you could think about finding some bids. I would first look at this one as well as this one right here. So you have these two levels that could catch you on the way down. First time listening, love your insight on crypto. I want to get your thoughts on VET. It looks like it's about to go crazy. I got you, Mike. I got you, Mike. Also, welcome in, Mike. Welcome in. VET. Got you. Only Charles Hoskinson coin would make a false breakout while the rest of the market breaks out. That's true. That's very true. Only his. Oh, man. So you can see you had your bullish divergence. You got your higher low. We now have an uptrend to work off of. So I would think getting back to this uptrend would make a lot of sense. The issue here, it's just, God. So I ended up looking at this. I was like, okay, how high did we get? We got to the 618. Great time to roll over. So now you're like, oh, we're bearish as shit. Oh no, that's not good. That's really not good. Well, maybe, just maybe, we're gonna hold an uptrend or something. And no, you're not. You could, but nah, it doesn't look that way. So I was like, could we do this? No, that doesn't work. That doesn't work. So yeah, needless to say, this was the uptrend I landed on, and I was like, all right, great. We're not showing bearish divergence yet, are we? We're not, but we are downtrending. So as long as we maintain this downtrend, it's going to be a problem for ADA. ADA does not look so great to me. I don't like this. I could see it coming back down anywhere between 83 or 74 cents. It doesn't matter to me. But if you get a break to the upside, this could look really good. It could. It's just I don't like this pattern. Because when I see this pattern here, all I think is to do this. And first thought, I was like, we're going to 49 cents. We're going straight to 49 cents. There's no way this thing doesn't go to 49 cents. If it respects this downtrend, we're straight down to 49 cents. There ain't no way. So ADA is one that I'm very iffy on, and I'm like, oh, this one's weird. I don't like this one. I really don't like it. Because also it's like we can go down to the 1272 and it's just a higher low. And it's like, oh, it's perfectly fine. And then you break to the upside. But yeah. Did you hear Nick Cannon had a space last night releasing a coin while out? Really? Stupid. Okay, so about these celebrity coins. Make your money, pay yourself. Even the celebs don't rug the liquidity. These DEX wallets absolutely will. That's true. They really will. They absolutely will. The Mandy coin 1-inch wallet rugged the whole thing. Really? 1-inch did it? That's wild. That's actually wild. So for the scalp trader out here, I really do hate to say this, but you are set up very nicely for a nice move to the downside. You made your bearish retrace. You're starting to head down. You're looking for 87 cents for ADA. So ADA looks looks different. It looks kind of sad. 9% downside could be coming if you break this local uptrend. It would not be great. It would not be great. Anyways, moving on from ADA because that's just depressing. Let's look at H-bar. I am currently in a trade on this one, so thoroughly invested in what it looks like. Oh, would you look at that? It looks fine. But H-bar, one thing I was doing wrong was I was not looking at the daily time frame. On your daily, you can see we were in this long-term downtrend. We broke out of it. We got the higher low. We now have an uptrend we're working off of. Uniswap wallet, Rug, Deep Suck, same wallet also holds 3 billion XCM. That's crazy. Actually crazy. Checking out your 4-hour time frame, you do have this uptrend right now after getting your bullish divergence. Now you're setting those higher lows. As long as we maintain this uptrend, you're about to see that golden retrace happen. BCH actively breaking out again, 14%. Nice. I mean, we'll get there eventually. But yeah, so right now I'm looking for a break of this local downtrend going up about 28%. Currently on the trade here, we are up 8% on a 20x or 15x long. So it's going, it's moving, it's doing its thing. I forgot to mention wait, that was bonk. Sorry. H-bar, we're up 15% on a 20x long. My bad. Up 14%. Jesus, that was bonk. Sorry. We're looking at bonk next. So I know you guys are getting a little antsy. Want me to get to your requests? I will power through this real quick. But last one on the list is bonk. Right here on bonk. Bonk is like the golden child right now, where I was like, it's got to do something eventually, right? And it looks like now is the time. So you had this longer term downtrend that you were stuck in. You broke out of it. You now have bullish divergence and you're getting that first higher low. You had another downtrend here. So I'm playing off of this downtrend here. Looking for 32% upside and hitting resistance. What the fuck? What about VeChain? Yeah, we're going to get there, Mike. So Mike, I understand you're new here. We have a list of tokens that I cover, and then we have all the requests. How the requests work on this stream, there are people who are members, and there are also subscribers over on Twitch. All of them, since they have a financial backing in the channel, I do cover their requests first, and then I get into all other requests. I do cover all of the requests, and then it's up to you if you stick around. So I do get to it. Oh, I thought you said last one. My bad. Yeah, no worries. No worries. But we will be getting to vet. Currently on the requests, we are at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 requests. We will get through all of them. All right? I do a very good point of getting through every single one. All right? So hopefully it makes sense. Hopefully you guys are all right and you're ready. We'll be lurking till I go to bed in a bit. All right, Rox, thank you so much for the lurk. I appreciate you. You're amazing. Absolutely amazing. Do appreciate it. All right, so on the 4-hour time frame for bonk, you have put in your bullish divergence. You are now trending to the upside. You broke out. You back tested. You are up trending. So as long as you stay above support right here at 1204, that's all you got to do. Stay above that. You could be seeing a back test of former resistance as our former support as possible resistance. But that is a 32% move to the upside. And currently we are up on our 15x long, 12%. And noted, these are all the copy traders over on weeks that are going to be getting all of these gains. Anyways, so going on from there. Every day I look at GFI, I just stare out 30 cents down where I want to go, down there. That's pretty funny. It's fine. He apologized. It's fine. It's fine. All right. So moving along, let's go ahead and jump into these requests. First one is 10 cent forward. I guess it's 80700. 10 cent holdings limited. Is that what this is, James? I don't know. It's Chinese. Holy fuck. That is quite a move right there. I'll tell you what. Jesus. Oh my god. Why is it so bullish? Okay, you're getting bearish divergence now, but why is this so darn bullish? Sheesh. Support down here. You tried to backtest it too? Damn, brother. This looks crazy. Yeah, Chinese stocks have been making these moves. It makes sense because they just printed a ton of money, but damn, bro, I didn't know it was like this. Sheesh. That's crazy. Need to figure out how to tap into this market. This is a gaming company? Damn. You don't even have bearish... Oh, you have tons of bearish divergence, though. I don't like that. That's bad. Hold on. Damn it. Let's see if you can break that. The bearish divergence on the daily is it's shocking. It's not really good. If you break to the upside, this could be amazing, but I don't like the bearish div. That's really bad. Especially with this really sharp move to the upside. This worries me. I don't like this look. I don't like that. But if you keep pumping to the upside, so let's give you your bullish bearish case, I guess, but you could be heading to $595. They keep on pumping it. One of these days, Porky's gonna promote his one-on-one training and mentor sessions. 4 sessions for $300 a month. Enter promo code Porky for a $10 discount. No, I'll never do that. Never do that. China money, bro. I guess it's China money. Every chart has 5% slippage fee. That's pretty funny. Four sessions for $300? That's a lot. Honestly, Woozy, that's a lot. I know some LA trainers that do charge stuff like that, but that's a lot. I wouldn't feel right about charging that. So you could see a 26% drop if you start rolling over. But you could also see a 19% rise. So you have some bullish and bearish case here. We just kind of have to sit back, watch, and wait. But looks interesting. Looks interesting. I don't understand how this market usually operates. Hey, just curious, what do you charge for personal training? Enough? DZ, get it, bruh. Don't worry about it. Alright? Don't worry about it. That's how much my personal trainer at the gym was. Saw him for like 30 minutes every week for a month. Really? That's terrible. So yeah, it depends on how many sessions you end up getting for me. Like, I have a 10 session pack for 1,000. And I was like, yeah, but I don't want you here for only 10 sessions. So don't get that pack. Get the 50 sessions for 3K. It's a way better deal. So yeah, that's how that works. It's like, I want you here more often because I want you to see results. I don't want you to bullshit around. Plain and simple. Alright, let's check out Honda HMC. Honda. Don't. Yeah, Honda's still looking good. You got a nice uptrend here. You're popping up. Looks pretty darn nice. Last time we looked at it, the price was a little bit lower. Up 5% on the day. Wow, 50? Yeah. I'm serious. What if I move to SoCal and I want to work with Porky? I mean, it's up to you. So, you still could see Honda move all the way up to $47. It is a possibility. You just need to break out of this downtrend. That's really what you got to do. Break out of the downtrend. We'd sign up and just talk about crypto the whole sesh. Oh, I don't do that. I would talk about crypto while you're working. If you're not putting in work, I stop talking and I start yelling. No bullshit. You need to be doing something in training. Damn, I might have to do that when crypto moons. That's pretty funny. No, I think if you're in training, you need to train so hard that you can't think about other things. That's my personal feeling on it. Hunter hasn't even started the move yet. Gonna be huge. It is gonna be huge because also understand you're in this huge downtrend. Once you break out of this downtrend, like actually break out of it, you're still looking for a golden retrace. So golden retrace of the downtrend you're looking at is, well, I guess you already did that. So yeah, you're setting a new uptrend. That's why I posted. That's why I did it like that. Okay, cool. So yeah, you're setting a new uptrend, and from right here is your new uptrend. Could be seeing $49.95. Looks great. Looks awesome. Let it run. Let it do its thing. He trains you like he would in the gym. Yeah, yeah, that's true. That's the whole point, right? People decide to go with a trainer based off their training style, right? I know some people are like, oh, I train with this guy because of the way he looks. I'm like, that's fucking dumb. Because a lot of guys, they'll just take steroids. They do train hard, but they don't have to train as hard. Done. Only gotta wait 5 years for it to pay off. Quick scalp. That's true. It's on the daily time frame. It takes a while. But next up, let's look at BCH. Bitcoin Cash. Had a beautiful day, honestly. Beautiful day. It's up big. It's up big. Breaking out, even. Oh, man. So let's get into this. Let's get into this real quick. Clean up my chart just a little bit. You're going to run into resistance. That is just going to happen. BTC ripping. Oh, stop it. You stop it right now. BTC's up 1.7%. Just get off the minute chart. You'll be fine. There you go. Yo, what's up, Max? How you doing? How you doing? On the 1 minute, it's ripping? Yeah. Nah. That wasn't even daily. It was weekly. I didn't realize it was weekly. You're right. It was weekly. It's going to take forever. It's going to take a long time. There you go. All right, here we are. So the problem that I have with Bitcoin Cash is this downtrend here. So even if you do fly up there, you still have resistance sitting right overhead. The positive, though, you broke out of this local downtrend. You are well broken out of it. So that's the good thing. That is all the positives that I have for you right now. Daily time frame. The daily looks terrible. I'm being completely serious. It looks terrible. Your relative strength is way too high for you to be this damn low. That is terrible. So I'm looking for the golden retrace, and that's about it. So maybe if you're lucky, you're getting up to $499. Oh shoot, can we look at BLZ? Shit is ripping, not ass. I mentioned that in Discord, DZ. You're just telling me how you're not in Discord. So Bitcoin Cash, I could see it going up another 23% based off this breakout. I would much prefer to see it come down a little bit, though, so then we could have a sustained rally. But you're already overbought on the 4 hour. And you did have bullish divergence, higher low situation. So this is your current uptrend that you're going to be working off of. This pullback could get a little gross. Really could. But over time, you're looking for it to get up here to about $500. But right now, yeah, it's just a bit too steep. You are overbought. You could start doing some bearish divergence or something, but let's just devil's advocate here because you are hitting a little bit of local resistance. If you turned around, you could be seeing a 50% retrace. Could be coming all the way back down to $347. I mean, a formal back test would be nice. All you did is skyrocket. Did you pick up some Ondo on the dip, Porky? I'm pissed I didn't like you said. I'm pissed I didn't like you said. Yeah, I didn't pick up any more. I'm still looking for either a breakout or lower prices. So, it's no big deal to me. If it hasn't broken out, I could care less. So that is Bitcoin Cash right now. You're on a moon mission. Your longer term target is to get up to about $500, but you're probably gonna hit some resistance at 430 and get a nice little drawdown. Probably. I don't know for certain, but probably. Anyways, next up we got Tau, TAO. Actually, hold on. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Yeah, see, it did a bad thing. It did a really bad thing. Your uptrend right here. You fell below it, you backtested, you came down, now you're popping back above it. Alright, so now that we're looking at the uptrend here, this looks a little bit better. So this looks like you're just breaking back above. Getting a formal backtest makes sense. This makes more sense. But you're probably going to go up, touch that 100 daily simple moving average, and then come down for the confirmation. Your supply line is your supply line again, or demand line is a demand line again. You broke it here. Now you're seeing a short squeeze because they were all thinking, oh, it's just a bearish backtest. We're going to maintain our downtrend. It broke through. So that's what we're seeing right now. This is the impulse up. Wait for the pullback. The impulse is not what you want to trade. Well, if you get in beforehand, that's what you want. But you wait for the back test. All right. So that's Bitcoin Cash. I'm glad I pulled back on that and looked at it again. All right. Anyways. So looking back. Tau. Alrighty. I was watching someone who believes Bitcoin Cash can 50x. From here, Wild Times, Hopium hasn't even hit euphoria phase yet. Ooh, that's rough. That's tough. Like, they're thinking that. Ugh, that's tough. Alright, so Tau's one of the newer tokens. You do... Oh my god, I didn't even realize you had an uptrend. That you destroy... Ew, gross. That's a bad uptrend. So, you're looking for a new uptrend. That's really what you're doing. And currently, it's looking kind of like this. There we go. There you go. All right, current uptrend. So it looks like we're finding a ton of support off $284, which is great. That is awesome. It makes no sense, but that's cool. I would have much preferred it to come down to 214, but you did put in a low and a higher low. So now you're trying to start putting in a bit of a bullish trend. You need to break out, though. Break out convincingly. Make us believe. Let's check out your 4-hour time frame for Tau. On Tau, you... Wait, do you? What did I do? You have bullish divergence for Tau. You're waiting for that higher low. Good for that. You rock, man. Thanks for all the effort. No problem, CT. No problem. It's what I'm here for. That is what I'm here for. Put in effort. If I mess up, I'm going to mess up at 110%. So Tau could see another little 5.7% move to the upside. Get that entire golden retrace. But now you're going to be looking for a higher low. Once you get that higher low, then you know the bullish div is over, and you could start uptrending from here. Noted, you do have this downtrend to worry about at the moment, and you're hitting it. So you could actually roll over sooner than later, and then get that break to the upside. Don't like it when this stuff happens. It's annoying, but someone is accumulating. So once you get on the other side, possibly backtesting 284 as support, that could be your new uptrend, and you can ride this thing into the sunset. Nvidia needs to turn around so the poor AI crypto can recover. That's true. That's very true. Once you get a breakout and a backtest with the higher low, get a new uptrend going, could see Tau back up to $404. So that is what we're looking at longer term, is for Tau to go up another 32%. So if you do get this break, I'm expecting a lot of resistance right around this area to like 321, and for you to pull back at that point. That's my expectation. It doesn't have to happen. I'm just expecting it. and then you're going to utilize this downtrend for your golden retrace. That is what I'd be looking at. So as long as you stay above 284, you could find yourself back at $404 for Tau. Noted, you lose 284, you still have an uptrend to worry about that could hold you up. So just pay attention, but you're not broken out right now. So also really pay attention to that. Checking out Kava. Kava, best looking thing on the weekly ever. You were in this uptrend, you broke it. See how you just fall down after that? It's terrible. Now we need a higher low. Actually, we have a higher low. We have a new uptrend. Let's fucking go, baby. Sorry. I'm excited. Anyways, for this one, we broke our downtrend. We have put in a higher low. We're looking for anywhere between 60 to 61.93 for Kava right now. Beautiful. Only thing I dislike is how low this supply line is. Like, the closer you are to the demand line, the better. All your supply is sitting down there, just waiting for you. So you can already see people are probably just like, oh, we got a fresh breakout. Awesome. So naturally, they're like, what's the golden retrace? Because we're going to short at that, which in the very short term, 49.03 could pose as some resistance. So that would be kind of annoying. It would be kind of annoying, but at least it would be a higher high, and now you would have 2 consecutive higher highs and 2 consecutive higher lows. Uptrend achieved. Enjoy what comes next. Anyways, Kava looking pretty decent. Give it time. You could see yourself up here, but what you really, and I mean what you really want to break out of for Kava is this nonsense right here. Once you can break out of that, oh, it's going to be sweet. It's going to be so sweet. Saw a bunch of people panic on Kava when it dipped. I don't know why you'd bitch spot in range. That's true. I don't know why you'd ditch it either. I mean, I bought some more recently, and I'm just sitting here like, come on, Kava, can we just move? I'm just trying to bring my average cost down. Currently, I'm sitting at, like, I believe 62 cents, and I'm like, God, it's so high. It's annoying. It's really annoying. But hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. Copy traders on buy DeFi. We're currently up 80% on the trade. We're killing it. Beautiful. Yeah, a little sales pitch, guys. If you guys want to join copy trading, I can't guarantee that I will make you money right away, but over time, you will make a ton of money with me on buy DeFi or weeks. You can just search up Porky65 in there. Just search Porky. You'll find me. You'll see the terrible stats from the previous 2 days, but they're getting better. They're getting better. Anyways, only put in there what you're willing to lose. That's really what I'm saying, if you want to do that. But, so yeah, right now, Kava, I can see another 32% upside. Maybe we take a little dip before that. 32% upside is what I'm looking for. A nice test at 61.93 is cool, but you're probably going to be hitting some serious resistance at that point. Probably hitting some serious resistance at that point. There's that. I don't know why I have these extra lines here. But no, this is also a beautiful falling wedge pattern. Beautiful. Just curious, why Porky65? Why not Porky69? I bought an Xbox when I got an Xbox when I was a kid, and my gamer tag was Porky Flounder 65, and I never changed it. And I was like, it's my job now to make it famous. So I'm working on that. Anyways, XCN. Yeah, I know. I'm pretty basic. I'm the most basic of bitches, you know? Just basic bitch over here. Alright, XCN is a weird one, man. It is weird. This thing just freaking rallied. But then again, now I'm wondering, like, why'd it stop? You know? You had this level of resistance. You're backtesting formally as support. That's good. But why'd you stop? It doesn't... Is it this? Because you didn't quite make it. Is it the bottom? Because you did touch that. So we'll go with the bottom. Yeah, we'll just say it's the bottom, right there. There's our resistance. Can we look at C? Sure. we can look at C. So XCN right now, I'm just focused on that down there because once you break it, I mean, what? You're going to go probably straight up to one of these two areas. Really, there is just no price action around these levels. It is crazy. It's straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. Absolutely nuts. If you lose 10.08, just don't even bother holding this thing. It's going to just go into the depths of hell. Maybe I'm tripping. Did you write down Tesla? Nikita, I did. I've just been taking a lot longer to explain the TA that I'm doing because I feel like you guys will get more value out of that. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you guys just want to hear what's the T? Just give me the answer. Are we up or down? I don't know. But I feel like the education is important. So you broke out of your downtrend. This is a big deal for XCN because now it is fully in play for you to make that golden retrace, which is absolutely nuts to me. But hey, you could be seeing, and you can set up a very nice stop loss. But you could see a nice 96% move to the upside now. Kind of crazy. I've been in the short for a couple days now, but she's not heading down. Probably going to exit. Smart. Nikita, no problem. No problem at all. So now we have an uptrend to work off of as well. So this is turning into a whole saga here. There you go. You have an uptrend officially. Surprised to say that. 4 hour. Yeah, it looks like you're about to start heading up. That is crazy. You could see yourself going up 95, 98%. That's nuts. This coin's so damn weird. It is so damn weird. The closer you are to that, the better. Just joined your Discord. Time to start to learn to leverage trade. Nice, Gold Mike. Welcome in. Welcome in. By the way, everybody, the Discord's completely free. I feel a need to say that. We have a completely free Discord. As long as you guys aren't acting like jackasses, we're good. She totally wanted to eat shit down in the 1 cent area. Yeah, that's true. It did. Everything was pointing to it. Until it wasn't. Until it wasn't. And now nothing is pointing to the downside. Even your more local downtrend here looks pretty damn good. Yeah, it's accelerating to the upside right now. That's 3 touches. Oh my god. You could literally set a trade for this right this moment and ride this puppy out. And the even more astonishing part is you could just feed off of it. Every time you go up and then you back test this uptrend, you're like, great, we're still in it. Great, we're still in it. Like, or just let it ride. Stay in that trade longer. Or it looks like right now's the time. Jump into this bad boy while you can, because it is reversing the trend. Golden retrace getting ready to happen. 98% upside right now. It could take you all the way out until April 13th. But hey, that's what it is. As long as you respect the uptrend, you're good. Just wanted to make sure I wasn't crazy before I exited. Yeah, man. Oh, just, whew. It looked good. I would thoroughly be surprised if it fell. I would be surprised. That is wild. Oh, yeah. Even your 1 hour is basically like, we're trying to go down. We just can't. Pushing its way up. Crazy. You had bullish divergence, and that's your higher low. Son of a bit. Really? Damn. And then on top of that, you had hidden bullish divergence? Are we for real? This thing looks bullish as hell, bro. This looks bullish as hell. Wow. That 1 hour looks good. Holy shit. That's okay. Hey. Upside, I guess. Oh, Jesus. Alright, let's go out to the daily again. Let's check out CRV, because I posted this one in Discord. CRV, I do believe, has bottomed. I know, ballsy claim. Ballsy claim. Hear me out. You were at, like, the depths of hell here. you were so low. You came out of a nice falling wedge. You popped up. The impulse move was great. The downtrend is here. And guess what? You got your higher low with hidden bullish divergence on the daily. I think the bottom's in for CRV. I could be wrong, but I think the bottom's in. I mean, if CRV decides the bottom is in, you're looking at golden retrace time, boys. You're looking at some crazy shit. $4.26. Brother, can you check render? Yes. It is already on the list, Max. Yes, I can. All right. So, let's just say it gets a little buck wild and crazy out here. You could see a common retrace out of this thing. 833% upside. Noted. Could take forever. Could take you all the way into Neverland Ranch forever. Could be a really long time. Could take you all the way until November of what the hell? Of 2033. It could take a really long time. But yeah. Why did CRV dump? I forgot. I don't know. I forgot too. Like, there was some news that came out about it, and I totally forgot. And I think that's probably why it bottomed. Everyone forgot. But yeah, CRV, you Moon Boy status. Like, you could be going up 833%. Could take you a very long time, but it could do it. I don't know. There were so many hacks before. I just say, oh, it probably got hacked. Like, I just default think it got hacked. I'll just keep it open for a record ROI flex. That would be hilarious. Oh, man. Copy traders and buy DeFi. We're making back 91% of what I lost today. Congratulations. Just being honest, I lost a lot. Wow, they're going to burn 70 billion coins? That is crazy. Oh, they're going to add them. Oh, no. That's terrible. I misread that. All right. Getting into loan. It took us about 2 hours to get here, but here we are. Loan. Here it is. Loan. What a weird chart. What a weird chart. Some fatty tuna. Thank you so much for the follow on Twitch. How you doing today? How you doing? The company states it will usher in golden age of opportunity. I don't know what kind of opportunity that is. I feel like now that Trump said a golden age, every company is going to talk about golden age something. Nobody's really original anymore. Oh, look at how it reacted to this thing. Sweet. Isn't Trump Coin going to be releasing tokens soon? What if we're going to announce that on Friday? I don't know. I doubt that he would use a presidential announcement to talk about his meme coin. I could be wrong, but I don't think he'd do that. This could take a very long time, but this could be bullish. Ooh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold the phone. This was a bit of a downtrend here, wasn't it? Okay, so right now we're looking for $6.60 for loan. Let's see another 18% upside. Not too bad for loan. Not too bad. It's looking pretty solid. But you still could come down. Let's check out your daily real quick. Daily time frame. Daily. God, what a grind. Oh, man. This looks so strange to me. Not what I want to do. All right. So it's like you have a level of support that you're right above. You're right above. You really don't want to lose it, but it looks like it doesn't matter if you do. So it's such a strange looking chart. I swear. The best viewers. Oh gosh, what an insane proposal. That is insane. Imagine how XRP Army would react if Ripple released all the tokens tomorrow. Can you imagine the price? Yeah, it would go down a lot. It would go down a lot. Oh, that's bad. So you technically have bearish divergence and a lower high, but there's like no volume on this. This is one of the harder things I've ever had to try to read. So I'm going to go with the golden retrace for first. You could see another 18% to the upside. You have to stay above 549. You lose it, you're probably going to see 527 or even 486. If you had a straight line down, 486 would more than likely be your strongest level of support, but you could see this 606, 18% move to the upside by, God, that's so far out. Not even by February 2027. Let's check the weekly so I can get a date. Jeez. Could see it by November 20th, 2028. That's a grind right there. That is crazy. XRP to 57.99. Yeah, that works. Works. All right, so that's loan. Not a big fan of this one. I don't like it. You would be holding this one for years. But then again, that is the stock market way after all. Anyways, moving along, we got MTL. Metal. Metal. I haven't charted this. I don't believe that. I don't believe that one bit. Let's go ahead and check in on some of the trades here. Bonk currently up 22% for the copy traders over at Weeks. 23%. Nice. My personal trade, H-bar, we are up 50%. Not bad. Not bad. We're out here doing things. We're out here doing things. Oh, I'm so happy I'm bullish again. Oh my god. Why? Why did you not? Why is this area even here? What the? Why? Metal. God, annoying little area here on the weekly. What is that? That is unreal. Metal and Metal Dow are separate. Son of a bit. Are they really? God damn it. Metal Dow. Fuck is their ticker? No, they're not. They're the same thing. MTL. Stand put. This is a lot of wicks on this chart. Not very clean. Oh, I gotcha. Well, it's a good thing they requested Metal Dow. So this is okay. Same company operates both? Oh, okay. I gotcha. That's fine. If this is a 50% retrace, I'll be shocked. It is not, so I don't need to care. Okay. Was that? Oh, God, no. Oh my god, really? Okay, so we have a downtrend technically. Oh my goodness. That's rough. That is rough. Oh my god. That is rough. All right, Porix, heading to bed. Have a good night and streams. Send the fam my hugs and love. I will, Rocks. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you, and thank you for the resub 40 whole months. You're insane. I appreciate that. Thank you. It's respecting a trend. It's respecting the shit out of it. Oh my god. The respect. Whew! So much respect on that. Alright, we're done looking at that. Let's check out the daily for this thing. I can't believe it respected that. Oh, that's crazy. Well, you know you're putting in higher lows, but you're not broken out yet. So once you can break out, back test, or at least get another higher low, this could look really good. You would literally just be looking for the golden retrace, honestly. So you'd be looking to get up probably that $1.40, but you still need the breakout. So 68% upside is possible. You're not broken out yet, but it does look like you're trying to bottom out here, which is nice. You cannot argue that you have bullish divergence yet on the daily. Let's check your 4-hour time frame. You have bullish divergence. You're looking for a higher low at this point. So that is good. Very good. Current downtrend you're going to have to beat is this. But the bullish divergence is here. You're waiting for a higher low and a brand new uptrend to get your breakout. So you got some work to do. But hey, it's moving in the right direction. Given enough time, you could see this 68% move to the upside. Most of the charts like metal, XMT, just VC sell-offs and supply chart before listings. Really? I guess so. But it looks like they're about to have a resurgence. They're about to see some bids coming in. It's just this one has a lot more work to do. You're going to need to break. You're going to need to back test. You're going to need to make another higher low. And then you're going to go. It's going to take a long time for this thing to play out. But it doesn't look bad. It does look like you should not go below 77.1 anymore. That's positive. That is a positive. So let's see how it does. All right, moving along. We got Muppet Show. Okay, I might have been trolled on that one. Muppet Show is not a thing. Unless it's like Mupp. Just to do my due diligence, we're going to do it. Muppets. The Muppets. It's a thing. Oh my god. Was that the request? Are you even here still? I doubt you're here. Motherfuck, it is a thing. There ain't no way. There ain't no fucking way. Muppet Show. No fucking shot. See, this is the problem. When you guys say some weird stuff, I don't know if you're talking about a crypto or not. But here we are. Fucking Muppet Show. Don't worry, Mike. We will get there. I'm going to move on from Muppet Show. What? Yep, can't find it. Moving on. Did it rug? I don't know. You can look it up. I don't know. Aerodrome Finance. Oh, that is a downtrend. Holy fuck. Holy shit. You broke out of one too. What? Aerodrome, it's just not being nice to anyone. Holy crap. Don't worry, Mike. I will get there. I will get there. Oh, you're finding support. Sweet. See, I like this chart. It's pretty clean. Pretty clean. Pretty nice. Did we check out MDT? Anyone hold this? No, we did not check it out, DZ. I guess we can throw it on the list. Which noted, I think we're about to fly through the list a little bit. I think we're going to a little bit. You're broken out, baby. With bullish divergence on the daily. Holy shit. Look at that. You got the bullish div on the daily? Dang, brother. Checking out the 4 hour. Massive bullish divergence on the 4 hour. No higher low yet. Waiting for that higher low. But give it enough time. You could see yourself back up to $1.12. So from where you're sitting right this moment, you could see a 70% move to the upside. All right, moving along, we could see SUI. Still waiting on the higher low for that one. Anyways. SUI holding the triple bullish divergence. You have the uptrend. You're retaking it right now, or at least trying to. So he has the opportunity of becoming amazing. Well, the wrapped ETH chart for Muppet shows a liquidity of 55 trillion. Wow, that's crazy. Oh, man. What happened to that? Yeah, that's wild. Absolutely wild. So, SUI here. You had a downtrend you broke out of. You're putting triple bullish divergence. You're finding support at that $2.33 level. You had your wonderful little uptrend here, but let's go out to the daily real fast. Let's see if I got the right. Yes, I did. Hidden bullish divergence, but you then had to make that lower low. That's annoying. On your daily, you do have bullish divergence thanks to that. So we can readjust this because guess what? You're still in hidden bullish divergence. So right now, SUI looking really, really damn good for upside potential. It needs a higher low, though. Just needs a higher low. You're waiting for that higher low, and holy shit, measured move. You're looking for 55% upside on SUI, going back up to $4.22. All right, moving along. We got ONT. What do I think about Kato? We will check it out. Good news is if SUI runs, C will. Oh, that is good. That is good news. All right. Here's your downtrend. That's a shame. Yeah, ONT really needs to hold where it's at. Just don't go any lower. Just don't do it. You got your current downtrend here. You tried to upthrust through it. You failed. Came back down. You are setting a double bottom here, which is good. Double bottom. Still don't know why these projects have tens of billions of coins, though. Yeah, I don't understand that either. Got your bullish div. You're trending to the upside. All right, cool. ONT, I'd be looking for 1878. Could see a 14% rise out of ONT. Maybe it's 15%. ONT looking pretty good. C's built on SUI? Wait, is SUI a layer 0? Because that doesn't make sense. because C is its own layer 1, I believe, or is it a layer 2? I forgot. Either way, you can build on top of C token. All right, next up we have is Suku. Suku. No problem, DZ, no problem. What in the hell am I looking at? Oh my god, just down. What a strange chart. What a strange chart. Okay, sure. Let's just call it a pocket. You got a nice little pocket down here that it looks like you're coming down to try and touch. That's cool. That was a nasty downtrend. Okay, we don't have to worry about that. That's fine. Wait, if we bring it down here though. Shit. Okay, we got a nasty little downtrend here. Based off this high. That was nasty. What is this? This is Suku. Suku. Maybe I'll get a tiny bag. It's funny. Get some more levels. That looks better. Alright. Those are the levels I'm going to worry about right now. I'm not going to worry about much else. Let's go under daily. Daily does look like you're trying to flatten out a little bit. That's good, because you're just going down, bro. Straight down. Jeez. No bullish divergence yet. Bullish divergence on the 4 hour has been achieved. So what you are likely to do is get that bullish div on the daily. So I would think you're going to pop up, breakout, and back test, and get a test down here anywhere between this 382, 348. That makes sense to me. If you do get that test and you hold down here, then I would think you're going to get a nice retrace. Past this, I have no clue what it could do because you're still in a very significant downtrend. But you could see something like this, 57%. You just have a lot more work to do right now. This is just kind of like forecasting what could happen. So, you gotta have to wait and see on this one. Personally, I wouldn't be touching this at all. Not at all. Just personally speaking. I would not be touching this whatsoever. You've lost all support. You have made a lower high and you're falling still. Somebody's going to try and argue, but there's bullish div. And it's like, but like, is there? It just looks like you're trying to double bottom. You're going to have to wait on open. You needed to break back above some support or resistance. You needed to start doing some stuff and some things. Sorry to not give you better news on this one. This one looks just bad. Then here's the downtrend you're working off of, so you can bounce around in here for a while with no support. I wouldn't feel comfortable trying to even buy into this. This looks really bad. The World Trade Center's candlesticks are wild, dude. Wait, what? Wild. Yeah, that's on the 4 hour. Looking at it on the daily, probably looks even worse. Yeah, it looks even worse. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. You need to break out of something. It hasn't done anything. So, sadly, open. Yeah, it's not good. On Suku? Oh, gotcha. Yeah, that's true. Those two huge candles are crazy. Check out Render. No way. There's no... Hold up. No. There's no way, right? I don't think so. I think you fucked up. I think you done fucked up AA wrong. No shot! Could that have been the same buyer? It probably could have been, honestly. Render holding a weekly support. Wow. That's amazing. All right. You didn't even touch the port. That's annoying. You got that level right there. Why are there so many levels right here? Holy shit. Okay, whenever I see like this many levels, it makes me think of a bottoming pattern. There's too many levels here. It's kind of wild. Very hard for it to fall through it. But, you know, kind of wild to see it. Anyways. Yup. Yup. All-time high. And downtrend. So this is what we got to focus in on for render, is this stupid little downtrend here that we could just bounce around in for months on end. Oh man. You got bullish divergence on the daily? Go figure. You're about to break out of long-term downtrend. Are the AI tokens about to get some love? Damn, brother. Bullish divergence, you're just waiting for that higher low, which is likely to come after a breakout on a formal backtest. You will be able to argue that price is going up. You get a stop loss down here below 321.8. You could be solid. This is an interesting one. I like this one. I do like this. It's going to take you some time to do it. It's going to take you a while. But you could be seeing 121% upside for render. That's impressive. I like that. That's impressive. You're still not broken out though. So this is the most I've seen the Ray tool used in a single night. Hey man, normally I don't need to use it, but here we are. Here we are. Hopefully Fast Trades is still around here. MSTX, the fucking 2 leverage thing. Oh my god, you held support. Oh my god, you held support. There ain't no way you held support. You didn't hit $3.50. You didn't hit $3. You got bullish divergence on the 4-hour. No shot. Oh my Lanta. You got bullish div. You could be going to 144. Oh my Lanta. Wow. Wow. The possibilities are here now. You still got to put in a higher low. Don't get me wrong. Still got to get that higher low, but you could be seeing a 331%. That's crazy. So I guess let's check the real asset. Oh, maybe that's why. Everybody's like, oh, MicroStrategy miraculously went up. It's in a wedge. It has bullish divergence on the 4-hour with a higher low. Why would it not go up? Nvidia looks like it's turning around on the daily. AI coins might run again. But yeah, that's true. BTC got past resistance, so where's the next level to worry about? I think it's around 93,000. I said it in Discord, Rich. Don't you remember? Don't you remember? Yeah, I think it's around 93,000. So MicroStrategy, if it continues, you're looking for a breakout and possible backtest at 314. If you get rejected here, you're looking for a backtest at 265 and then possible breakout, hold support, and run up. For the falling wedge, you are looking for 85% upside after a successful backtest. If you just break to the upside and start running, well, you could see $811. 160% kind of lines up with that 2x trade at 333. So, yeah, MicroStrategy looking pretty good. Let's check out Coin. So I saw people talking some shit about Coinbase. They're like, oh my god, it's been doing so terrible. It's awful, man. Well, guess what? We planned for this 40% downside. We planned for it. We saw it coming. It's fine. You're stopping short. You're holding your demand line. This looks great. This looks awesome. Got that 1272 at least. Now you're popping up. This is good. This is very good. You had what? Bearish divergence? No, you didn't. Okay. No bearish dip. That's fine. But now you're going to be looking at Coin possibly performing extremely well, getting up to $478. You're right at the point. You're right there. Get a nice stop loss below 174, you could be good. I hate Coin because so much of the juicy movement happens after market and overnight. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. That is fair. Fair assessment. Give it some time. You could see this thing rally up 115%. I mean, noted. It could take you all the way out into 2027 or something, but this is a possibility right now. The uptrend is still intact. Bitcoin Cash, rocket ship, flip BTC within a few halving cycles. That'll never happen. DS flat. It'll actually never happen. Yeah. Wow, what's going on?
There's a hole.
What?
We found a hole in the
Oh.
So I'm trying to tape it.
Okay.
I don't know if it's gonna work.
Okay.
I'm deflating it right now and then taping it.
Alright, thank you. I didn't know that. What's the DD on Assumption? Wait, what? Just tuned back in. You cover ski yet? Not yet. We're actually close. Come to this. Yeah, we're actually close. We have Degen, Toshi, Tesla, then Ski. So we're close. Small block Bitcoin experiment is dead. Fake ideology. YouTube. Okay, we're done. Anyways, Bitcoin Cash was no, it's not going to. Sorry. Anyways, moving on. All right, we are finding a lot of support here. That's good. That annoying downtrend though. Jeez. Annoying downtrend. Great uptrend. Great uptrend. Wow, would you look at that? Great uptrend. So no more 77k Bitcoin. I don't think we're gonna get it. I don't think we're gonna get that 77k. Do you want to go to 77k? That's funny. Do you think April 2nd we'll get lots of red again? Maybe. Maybe. Metis, please. We will check out Metis. We'll check it out. Downtrend here. No bullish divergence on the daily here, but I know there's a 2x leverage, so it doesn't matter. Yo, brother, can you check out Seller and NKN, please? Oldies, but hopefully goodie. We will check them out, Twix. I got you. I got you, brother. Seller and NKN. Thank God. I assume 77K will be the bear market lows, maybe even lower. Could be. Honestly, after this last bear market getting down to 15.5, anything is possible. Anything is possible. Daily. On this one, you do not have bullish divergence, but you do... Oh, do you? No, you don't. Yeah, no, nothing. You're just putting in a higher low, maintaining this uptrend. So, ideally, you'd go test the resistance in an ideal world. But what's likely to happen is for you to go up to your 618 at $53. Only 108% upside. You still need to break out first. Thanks for your expertise. Hope CON hits that red line. I mean, you're already touching it. Keep an eye on BTC mempool. If these fake ideological UTXO consolidations stop, the BTC music stops. Interesting. All right, DS flat. All right. Anyways, moving along, we got D-Gen. Let's clean up the chart here. Let's give D-Gen a proper look. LOL, the top! Yeah, it could be. Could be the top. It's all you've ever done. Alright, so D-Gen, remember it's a meme coin. I don't know that it actually has market makers, but hey, it could. It could. Anyways, problem I see here on the weekly is this stupid thing right here. That's the only problem I see. It's like, damn, are you gonna get up above it? Are you gonna end the week above it? Because if you do, this could be really good. Because you broke out of this downtrend on the weekly. You broke out of a downtrend. Like this is a really big deal. Breaking out of that downtrend. Let's go into your daily. It looks a little weird like that, so let's pull this down to here. Let's just focus on this downtrend here. You still broke out. You're increasing your strength. Porky, could AVAX be in the crypto reserve? I have no clue. Honestly, whatever Trump decides, I hope it's just Bitcoin. I don't want all these altcoins in there. I'm a huge holder of AVAX. I just don't think it should be in there. It's too volatile. Are you bearish or bullish now? I'm crazy bullish. Just look at the thumbnails. You'll know exactly what I am. Honestly, if you just pay attention to the thumbnails, you'll be like, oh, he's bullish today. Oh, he's bearish today. Just look at the thumbnail. I'm quite transparent. I think it was on possible list. AVAX was on the list? That's kind of wild. I wouldn't expect it to be. Alright, here's some hopium for the degeners out there. You could be seeing a huge rally in the near future. You just gotta start catching some bids. 270% upside. On the list of ETF funds? AVAX? That would be cool. Get an ETF. So I think before anything can go into the reserves, it's gonna have to have an ETF. If it doesn't have an ETF, and people aren't tying their retirement to it, to constantly funnel money into it, it's just not going to work. Like, plain and simple, it's just not going to work. Because these 88.6%, 90%, 100% retracements, over 100% retracements, that would be really bad for a sovereign wealth fund, for a strategic reserve. It wouldn't make sense. That's the whole problem. It needs to just go up and to the right. That's it. Up and to the right. With some other top coins like DOT, SOL, HBAR, and others. Nice. So DGen, for the hopium out here, DZ, you could be seeing 271%, but this uptrend is really, really lackluster. It really sucks. So it needs to start getting some hype. It needs to start, I don't know, paying for some hookers to start talking about it, walking around with some purple hats and giving out free blowjobs or something. But it needs a lot of work. Okay, it's not looking good. However, you're about to get the 100 crossing below the 200. Generally speaking, that does show it is at the bottom. So when that happens, you could start seeing some buyers hopping in. So that could be a positive. Anyways, let's move on. Toshi. Alright, Toshi. What's an event that can cause us to be bearish again? What, on Bitcoin? I don't know. Because right now, as you see in the stock market, it is very bearish with these tariffs. But the things that are going up right now, you have Bitcoin going up, and you have the 10-year treasury yields going up. Or going down. Like, they're crashing hard, meaning a lot of people are buying them. And it's causing mortgage rates to come down. So the flight to safety situation is kind of weird. But flight to safety, and apparently Wall Street is treating Bitcoin like a flight to safety. So I don't know, actually. It's kind of weird. It's a weird thing that we're in right now. Toshi looking terrible, brother. Terrible. Damn. Looking real bad, actually. What? Most bullish coin for now till Friday night. It's gonna either be like H bar. It's gonna be one of the American coins. I would say H bar or like Bonk. Weirdly enough, Bonk. Just shout out to the copy traders out there on Weeks. We're currently up 37% on our 15x trade on Bonk. Anyways, yeah, H bar starting to pull back a little bit. We're only up 36%. Honestly, Bonk might be it. I just want my 10 to 20x altcoins already. I mean, they're going to make you wait it out. They're going to make you sweat. They're going to make you cry. They're going to make you give up. Once you give up, you might get it. You just might. Official Trump looks super bullish. Great. Maybe they're planning a war like old 2021. I think Trump is doing away with the entire war thing. Like, it's just not really panning out. So this looks so bad. I don't... Alright, Toshi, I have nothing good to say about it. It looks like you're just bleeding. Just bleeding. Here's your current downtrend, and you're still going down. You're not oversold, nothing. This looks terrible. 4 hour? I mean, I'm grasping at straws here. I'm trying to be bullish on it. I just can't. You got oversold, you're catching a little bounce, but like, that's not a bounce. When the rest of the market's bullish, you shouldn't look like this. It looks terrible. So I'll say, Toshi, maybe you get a 5-0, maybe a 618. So let's just say you get up like a 12, maybe you get 17%. If you get that 17%, short the ever-living daylights out of this thing, because it's probably going down. Diamond Hands in crypto is so goofy. That's right, it is kind of goofy. I'm not going to lie. Diamond Hands? No. On Bitcoin, sure. I can understand why. Everything else? That doesn't make much sense. I don't understand. I can honestly admit, I have never diamond handed my way back to zero. On purpose. I'm going to say on purpose, because there are some things that I just forget about, and I never even know that it moons. And it's like, oh, I diamond handed that one. Damn. Oh, wait. So what I see out of Toshi is nothing good. I guess the appetite for meme coins are not back yet, but let's just say you get that 5-0 coming up here, then I could see you, oh, it lined up perfectly. Another 40% before you find support. I would not be surprised in the least. You have no bullish divergence to speak of, really. I mean, they're trying desperately hard right here. But sideways price action after that, that's not a really good look. So if you do go up, maybe 17%. Other than that, terrible. Where's the best money to invest 500? Mac Barbie? Hello, welcome in. First time here. Best place to invest $500? Go with Bitcoin. But if you want like a risky trade, it might make you some money. Go with Bonk. Go with Degen. Go with any meme coin of your pick. But I think right now, ADA, HBAR, Solana, heck, Litecoin even. Could be some good bets. Could be some good bets. So Mac Barbie, hopefully that answered you. I don't know. How many more till VeChain? VeChain will be in 3. Yeah, because we're checking out Tesla, then Ski, and then it's VeChain. Good analysis, though. I'm glad you like it. All right, so Tesla. Oh, goodness. Hitting that support. The man line. Oh, man. All right, everybody's going to be confused when they see, oh, my God, Tesla's going up. That's all it's going to be. Mac Barbie. No problem. Welcome in. But also, Mac Barbie, do you trade or are you just buying and holding? Because that's really going to differ on how this market treats you. Because if you're just buying and holding, you run into that weird possibility of like, oh, I'm holding for far too long. Like, dang, bruh. Alright. I guess you're getting bullish divergence, kinda, so makes sense you're catching some bounce here. Someone called 911. Candles must be having a... What? Okay, Jim. Wow. Anyways, let's bring this down. So where I would see Tesla going right now, because you are still downtrending, getting up to 327 makes a lot of sense. Backtesting 291 after that makes a lot of sense. So let's see what happens with it, but in the short term, could see a 17% bounce out of Tesla. And the best thing is, that could happen as soon as March 26th. Get your options ready. Could be coming. Let's check your 4-hour. Yep, the bullish divergence is formed. You are now trying to create a new uptrend. So, yeah, you could see it. Something like this. Maybe by March 19th you see it. Would be nice. Anyways, that's Tesla. Alright. We got Ski Mask Dog. Not holding for now? Okay, alright. I understand. I get it. I respect the hustle. Actually, I respect the honesty. A lot of people lie about that, surprisingly. I think it's a weird thing to lie about. People do that. Alrighty, you're starting to put in your higher lows. Beautiful. So, Ski Mask Dog, you look like you're trying to start a new uptrend. Noted, you are a meme coin. But this was a major downtrend you just broke out of. Measured move is to go up 422%. Let's go into your 4-hour. So here's where the bullish divergence started, and now you have higher lows. So just like Degen, it is a very, very pathetic uptrend that you're doing, but here you go. That's your pathetic little uptrend that could be trying to get you some yield. But long term, you're looking for that 422% move to the upside. On a golden retrace, you are looking for that 422% upside. It could go a little bit higher, but yeah, that's really what you're looking for. 309% from where you're sitting right now. So Ski Mask Dog looking pretty solid. Looking pretty darn solid. Gotta give it time. Anyways, next up we got VET. VeChain. Doing things. Alright, VeChain. Not too shabby. I would have liked it to hit support though. Massive bullish divergence on the 4-hour. We need that higher low. We really do. Need the higher low. Right now, this is what the downtrend is looking like. You are not broken out yet. So, with that being said, once you do finally break out, you could see something like this going up to 5880. What is a very likely scenario, just to be clear here, you could see a break and a back test back down to this level at 2408. Just, it could happen. Let's go out to your daily. Oh my god, hold on. There's no way. There's no way. Weekly, it's not its first bull run, so. Did you touch that? Holy shit, it came close. Wow. Well, there's your uptrend for VeChain. I would say you're in a great buying opportunity. Raytool star of the night. Raytool is star of the night. Star of every night. Should be, anyways. Yeah, so understand what you did. You broke out of this downtrend trading sideways, and now you're finally catching bids. This took forever to play out because apparently you needed to respect your trend line. That is nuts. So now I'm going to start looking at every bear market differently. Because if we look at our daily, it's like, oh, cool. As soon as you broke out, you put in your low with bullish divergence, and then you put in a higher low. So you finally got to put in your uptrend, and now it's just respecting the ever-living daylights out of it. That's insanity. You bought in 2020? Nice. 2020, I'm pretty sure I bought in two. Oh, wait. You sold at 17 cents? No, was it 2020? It was. It was down here, right? At tenths of it. Yeah, I bought in at the same time. I sold it way too soon. Way too soon. Rebought again during this dip. It's a smart time to buy back in, honestly. Smart time. But on your weekly, you did have bearish divergence. You are now clearing up that bearish div on the weekly. You are getting ready for your next run to the upside. So, since you are putting in a higher low, you can argue that you would end up seeing something in the realm of this up here, 11 cents. Something in the realm of that could happen. But for now, all you're going to focus in on is the golden retrace, which is at 5893. So that's what you'd be focused in on, that 98% move to the upside. Just understand a breakout and a backtest would make sense. But once you break out and you get your higher low, then you have a new uptrend to work off of. That's when you can start putting in your trading plan and all that. So everybody who does wonder why I like shorting more often. How long did it take you to start moving up compared to how long did it take you to fall down? It's kind of wild. Not financial advice on this channel. It's always for entertainment. If you're not entertained, you should learn how to be entertained. Anyways. I also have that in the description. So anybody who does take this at all as financial advice, well, you're grasping at straws. CRO has a major golden cross forming. Sweet. It's awesome. Love it. So now we're going to look at this as a falling wedge as well, because let's face it, it's there. That higher low is going to be a really big deal. A really big deal once you get the higher low. Because now you have a little wedge working. You could see a 46% move to the upside. This looks good. So you agree with it? With this thing going up? Yeah, no, I definitely think it's going to go up. I just don't know when. Because you're still in this downtrend. Once you break out and you make that higher low after a back test, oh, it's going to be beautiful. But until then, accumulate all that you want. This looks like a great accumulation range. Anyways, moving along, we got SEI. C took it. So I believe this is C's first bull run, right? Right. Definitely first. This looks so bad. From the inception. You lost it. So we're waiting. It looks really bad. On your weekly, are we getting some form of... Oh my... Wait, what? You had bullish divergence here, popped you up. It looks like you're trying to put in a triple bullish divergence if you hold support. This is kind of cool. You touch this demand line down here, could be really sexy though. Checking out the daily. Daily, you are trying to put in some more strength. Getting a nice breakout would be nice. Would be nice. Alrighty. Currently have an uptrend to work with. Very sad uptrend, but it is an uptrend. That was a higher low. You're popping up on the daily. You're going. So even when you break out, you might touch this again. Focus in on that. When you touch it again, well, then you have a chance of that golden retrace. And we're going to go from this high to low because that's your current downtrend. 36.87 is the target. Could be a 52% move to the upside. Could be. And then you got to break out of this downtrend. That's going to be the hard one. Going to be hard. I'd be cautious. CRO also has the most bearish proposal of all time in play. That's fair. That's fair. BTC heading for 93K. It's good. That's a good thing. MDT. MDT. All right, DZ. This is one of those weird ones, isn't it? It's been around a long time. Been around a real long time. It's terrible. It's terrible. You lost your long-term uptrend? That's terrible. You don't want to do that. You tried desperately hard to hold on to it last week. Let's hope it can get some movement back up there because, damn, you might be at ultimate value area, honestly. Or BTC support resistance line at. It's like 93,000 something. Something like that. You didn't even touch it. If you're going to fall out, you might as well touch it. Damn, bro. Oh no, that's on the weekly. This is on the weekly, yes. This is a big deal. This is on the weekly. You're not supposed to do that. It's even worse. As soon as you lost 349, you're like, oh, we're going into the shitter. Oh no. So it needs to catch bids sooner than later. Sooner than later. Man, that's a sharp downtrend. That is a sharp downtrend. Let's check your daily. Let's see if we have some hope here. We do. There is hope. This thing could rally back up. You're putting in the bullish div. Bullish divergence is here. It is apparent. How shitty is that? You got so much time. If you can break it back out and then back test, that would be so phenomenal. Benefit of the doubt, let's say the bullish div and the higher low does happen. You could see this thing go up to your demand line. Oh, God. 6411 would be the target. 123% upside. But yeah, you are putting in that bullish divergence right now. So there is hopium. There is hopium. Massive bullish divergence on the 4 hour. Trying to get that uptrend going. Trying. Right now, here it is. Hopefully it sticks to it. Hopefully it sticks to it. It needs to pick up some steam, though. Really needs to pick up some steam. Alrighty. Is this the one we usually look at? I don't even know which one we normally look. Oh, here it is. Yeah, I'm still bearish on this. I'm still bearish on it. This doesn't look great. This looks really bad. Even on the wick high, you bearishly backtest. This looks terrible. This looks so bad. There's not much data here, but you could be coming down to 83 cents. This looks god awful. You could see a 52% drop right now for taquito, burrito, something. Your saving grace is the fact that you're putting in a falling wedge. That's your saving grace right now. So let's pray for the falling wedge. Outside of that, could be seeing a 52% drop out of Kato. CB is going to list Res tomorrow. Can we take a look at it? Res is up so much. Why would we look at it? It's literally up like crazy. Why would we look at... Oh my god. Do you guys remember when I made that video talking about Metis? If you took a short based off my video, you're welcome. You're absolutely welcome. That is crazy. How much did it go down since I made that video? That was a beautiful bearish test. It went all the way 37%. Oh my goodness. That's wild. Yeah, we'll look at Res. And that's solely because we're almost done with the list. We'll look at it. It is 10 o'clock. Jeez. It's crazy. Oh, wait. Sorry. I'm getting ahead of myself. Hold on. You're almost at the 5-0. You could get up to the 618, but overall, it looks so bad. It looks so bad. So I did this TA on one of my videos. I was like, oh, look at this. We broke a level of support. We bearishly are back testing it. We could see this thing fall down to $6.26. It has been printing. So bad. So bad. Let's see on your daily. Oh, I did mention this level of support down here, which it looks like you're not quite getting to. But let's see here. Low, a lower low. You have bullish divergence on the daily. So if you were in on this short, probably a good time to get out of the short. Probably a good time. But man, we called that. You currently have a new downtrend you got to break out of, which is right here. Once you break out of it, oh, wait. You still can set a lower high. Oh, no. But either way, right now for Metis, you would be looking for a move about 19% upside. And then we'll see what it does from there. Burning the midnight oil again, Porky? Yeah, Jim, we're up late. We're up late. But it's for you guys. That's what it's for. Trying to help out everybody. So, you could see a 19% move to the upside. You could see it go down to 626. Frankly speaking, the fact that you lost your like main level of support and you're just finding out how low you can go, I'm still leaning for that 626 to play out. It does not look great, but it could just take a while to get there. Unless the whole market gets crazy bullish. And then all of a sudden you'll be like, but we broke out. So then, of course, you could see this thing rally on up. Something like this, 143%. Could be a thing. Thanks, T.A. Porky. Sleep well. I will. Have a good night, Jim. Have a good night. All right, NKN. NKN coming up next. Oh, shit. I forgot Seller. Damn it. We'll go back to Seller. Wow, this thing got beat down, didn't it? Well, you do have support down here, surprisingly. You have not touched it yet. Oh, no. If you hold this weird little level of support, that's going to be frustrating. You still haven't touched that either. Okay. All right. That's fine. All right. Now that we got that sorted out, oh no. Got a nice little downtrend there. A nice little downtrend. So you're hoping you maintain above 375. 0375. Checking out the daily. Daily bullish divergence has achieved. That's great. That's awesome. Love it. You got a lot of work to do here. Got a lot of work to do here. Thanks, TA, dude. No problem, man. No problem. A lot of work. You are nowhere close to your demand line. So if you do rally, I'm expecting, or sorry, it's a blind line, but I would think maybe a 24% move to the upside just to go up and touch it. Just go touch it. You're overextended to the downside. It looks like the market wants to be green, so you could see this thing rally for 24%. After that, I mean, we'll see. But there's going to be some traders out here just focusing on the low time frame where that would be an 886 retracement. It would be a big time retracement, and then it could be ready to roll over again because you'll still be in your downtrend. Once you can get a break and hold support, then you got another downtrend to work off of. This is what I'm seeing right now, a possible 24% move. Based off your daily, and your 4-hour is showing that bullish divergence right now, and you do have an uptrend starting. So there you go. That's what you're seeing. Once you break this uptrend, expect more downside. Alrighty, seller. Seller network. Broke the downtrend. Beautiful. You got some uptrend in momentum here. Nice. Nice. You got formal back tests. Even better. Seller looks ready to go. It has all the workings of being able to go back up to that golden retrace. 63% upside. 4-hour time frame. Bullish divergence achieved. New uptrend trying to start. You still need to make your higher low. But right now, you technically have an uptrend to work off of, which is right here. There you go. You're going to wait to see where it stops, so then you can get the acceleration to the upside. But that's what we're looking at here. The closer you are to this green line, the better the trade. Looks pretty solid. I like it. All right. Final one. Res. Last bit of hopium out here. Reds to the moon, baby. Wow, it pulled back a bit. Oh, no, it's just a new day. But yesterday, 37% on the day. It's a great move to the upside. You now have an uptrend. Official uptrend right there. Closer you are to that green line, the better. You're looking for price to get up, probably to resistance. 52 to 75% upside would be completely normal. Let's see. Let's go to the daily. Let's see if you have more in the tank. Ooh, you might. Da-da-da. Trump Foundation has bought more BTC, ETH, and Move. Yep. They just keep on buying it, don't they? Just keep on getting it. So, outside of that 75% move, this thing over time, you could see it rally up 446%. That's what I'm seeing out of this one. Who knows? Maybe with the listing, Rez will do it tomorrow. If we have a bullish day and this thing gets listed on Coinbase at the same time, yeah, it could probably do some crazy stuff. So we just have to sit back, wait, and watch. Anyways, everybody, that is all the requests for the evening. I am done. I'm out of here. Hopefully you all enjoyed the stream. Hopefully you hit the like button on the way out. There's a completely free Discord. You guys can join the Discord. It is fantastic to be in. There are links for exchanges if you guys feel like joining an exchange that technically does not require KYC or a VPN to operate. That is Buy DeFi in Weeks. But there are also a number of other exchanges you guys can use. We have links for all of them. Anyways, hopefully you guys are going to have some good sleep and ready for tomorrow. Historically, Thursdays bring in a lot of trading volume, so hopefully you guys are ready for some fun times during the day. I will catch you all later. Take it easy, Quada. The whale who longed 200 million before the crypto reserve announcement just changed his changed his name to March 7th. Interesting. Could be an interesting time. Alright guys, I'm heading out. Deuces, much love, keep those stop losses tight. I'll catch you later.